Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for June 18th, 2024. What are we watching? Still the difference between the haves and the have-nots, but I think you're going to see a change in structure next week. Now, what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about that we always obsess about the bond market. We obsess about the weakness in the bond market has kept the stock market down. I mean, the S&P. Well, now what's happening is you have the ES have this parabolic move up. You now have the bond market up to here, up to where it was in March, but you have the Russell a lot lower than where it was in March. So now we're going to be watching these trend lines because the Russell likes things like that. So just the Russell likes that bond market rallying, but the problem is at the moment they're perceiving that that's a weak economy, bad for the Russell. So next week, I think you're going to get a big divergence between the haves and the have-nots. So I think you're going to start to see the NVIDIAs and the Lam researchers come down to earth. And I think you're going to start seeing the snowflakes of the world come back. So just keep that in mind. That that's what we're going to be looking at. Of that kind of turn, of these kind of stocks, the haves and the have-nots. Just keep in mind about that the snowflakes of the world have been awful. The HubSpots have been awful. But I've seen this before, and usually what happens with this is you start getting some kind of bounce. You get where these kick in gear, the MongoDBs, the HubSpots, but you first want to see a turn. So I want to see like an hourly turn of these and then a consolidation. Now, let me show you what I mean by hourly turn and consolidation. Here was an hourly turn over the ATR trailing stop in MongoDB. It created an overbought MACD. How did it work off that overbought? It died. It did not form a bull flag. That's what you're going to look for on these. Is the first break on a short-term chart like this, like green thumb, see the overbought and see if it works it off by retaining a bullish structure. Keep in mind with the bond market doing what it's doing and the NASDAQ doing what it's doing, it's not going to take a lot for these stocks to have explosive rallies. So that's how I'm going to try to trade next week. Thursday and Friday, definitely rebalance time. You have this thing with the XLK, the Technology Select Fund, that needs to buy NVIDIA and sell Apple. I'm not sure how much of that is already done, but it should be exciting the last 2 days of the week. So have a good one. Thanks for listening. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.